What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to add cash to your Revolut, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell as well. So basically, how to add cash to your Revolut account. So to deposit cash into your Revolut account, you need to follow a couple of steps. First of all, when you enter your app and when you sign into your account, select Add Money option and press the arrow under the deposit amount and select Cash Deposit. Tap Unlock Locations Near Me and select the participating retailer location. Present your card and the cash amount that you wish to deposit, and basically that's the entirety of the process. You will need to go physically to get the money to the retailer and they will get it to your card. Also, you need to bring the card with you. After the deposit has been completed, be sure to collect your receipt. You might need it if you ran into any issues with the deposit. Unfortunately, they cannot offer cash deposits to everyone at this time, so they are still developing this feature, so you need to stay tuned because they aim to provide cash deposits to all of the customers soon. So basically quite an easy process. It works like any physical payment. You need to select Add Money option and press the arrow under the deposit amount and select Cash Deposit. Tap Unlock Locations Near Me and select the participating retailer location which suits you the best, and then go with your card and the cash and present your cash and card amount that you wish to deposit. So overall guys, quite the easy thing. You just need to go physically with your cash and card and the job is done. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. That's it guys, see you in our next tutorial. Goodbye.